case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 2013 landmark case served a stark reminder to corporate America, instilling the doctrine that directors must act in the best interests of the corporation and all its shareholders. This principle was magnified in the Trados Inc. Shareholder Litigation case, which invoked the notion of fairness to all shareholders, irrespective of their holdings. In the year 2000, Trados Inc., a hopeful startup, procured venture capital in its pursuit of expansive growth. The company, however, fell short of its lofty expectations. This prompted the board of directors in 2004 to undertake drastic measures, including the removal of the incumbent CEO due to budgetary constraints, the appointment of an acting president, and the engagement of JMP to strategize ways of elevating shareholder value. An incentive plan, known as the Management Incentive Plan, MIP, was instituted by the board. The blueprint of this plan was tinted with a bias, designed to motivate the top brass to seek a sale of the company. This bias came to a head in 2005 when SDL plc acquired Trados for $60 million, an amount that returned null to common stockholders. This chain of events unfurled a legal quandary, dissected by the court. It found that the board was devoid of a majority of independent and objective directors. Their actions had prioritized the interests of Trados's VC backers, whose preferred stock had different cash flow rights than those invested by the common stockholders. The court employed the entire fairness test to analyze the fairness of the transaction to the common stockholders. Despite evidence of conflicted interests and a disregard for common stockholder rights, the court deemed that the merger was unblemished. It based this assertion on the grounds that the common stock was of no economic value prior to the merger. Nonetheless, the defendants were not entirely absolved. The court granted the plaintiff the liberty to apply for fee shifting, illustrating the defendant's failure in dodging conflicts of interest. The verdict on sanctions was, however, deferred until the end of the case. The litigation underscores the complexities involved in balancing different shareholder interests, especially in startup companies with diverse investment types that often involve common and preferred share structures.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.